When the world turns unpredictable and survival becomes the only mission, the gear you carry becomes your greatest ally. From rugged survival knives to bulletproof packs built for the toughest missions, the right gear keeps you ready and in control when everything falls apart. Stay tuned as we reveal 20 tactical survival gear every prepper's arsenal should have, built for those who refuse to be unprepared. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 20. OEL. Out in the wild with no power and no backup, survival demands creativity. And the OEL rechargeable lamp delivers exactly that. Powered by innovative metal fuel cell technology, it generates light and electricity using salt water, soda, or even vinegar. Its clever oil drum design lets you flip it to switch off the light, while its heat function can ignite dry grass. A true multi-tool every prepper needs when the grid goes dark. Number 19. VX Buckle-Up Carrier. When every move counts and the line between safety and danger blurs, this tactical plate carrier keeps you mission-ready. Built from rugged 700D Polytech, it features a modular VX buckle-up system that lets you swap out pouches, rigs, and accessories in seconds. With breathable padding, quick-release safety, and MOLLE panels for full customization, it adapts fast, giving every prepper the confidence and comfort to face the toughest scenarios head-on. Number 18. Kangee T-Hawk. When you're deep in the field and speed means survival, a dependable blade can make all the difference. The Kangee T-Hawk is forged from high-performance SK5 carbon steel to cut, chop, and pierce the toughest materials, while its glass-reinforced nylon handle keeps it strong yet lightweight. Paired with a MOLLE-compatible bolt-around sheath, it's ready for rescue, defense, or any survival task. Number 17. ESEE Advanced Survival Kit. Deep in the wilderness, facing unpredictable challenges, being prepared with reliable gear can make all the difference. The ESEE Advanced Survival Kit is a fully equipped lifesaver designed by Randall's Adventure and Training, featuring fire starters, water purification, navigation tools, and shelter essentials. Packed in a tough Cordura bag, it's your all-in-one survival system built to perform when the stakes are highest. Number 16. Elite Guardian EDC Backpack. When every second counts, having a backpack that organizes and protects your gear is critical. The Elite Guardian EDC backpack offers 25 liters of tactical storage, including a concealed carry compartment with ambidextrous access, MOLLE compatibility, and a padded laptop sleeve. Built from rugged 1D nylon, it withstands tough conditions while keeping your tools, essentials, and survival gear easily accessible. A must-have for any prepper on the move. Number 15. TRU-SPEC Pro Flex Pants. Built for durability and versatility, the TRU-SPEC Pro Flex Pants blend polyester and cotton for comfort and performance in any scenario. Adjustable slider waistband, 4-way stretch panels, and a gusseted crotch ensure freedom of movement, while multiple deep pockets, including cargo, drop-in, accessory, and internal magazine compartments, keep essential gear within reach. Water repellent and reinforced with YKK brass zippers, these pants are ready for tactical missions or everyday adventures. Number 14. Mira Safety Geiger. When radiation detection could be critical, having a compact and reliable dosimeter is a must. The Mira Safety Geiger 2 fits easily in a pocket, yet delivers professional-grade readings in just 20 seconds. Fully digital with customizable alarms, long-term tracking, a rechargeable battery, and solar charging, it's built from impact-resistant polymer to withstand harsh conditions. A compact, durable, and essential tool for every prepper's emergency kit. Number 13. Kubaton Tactical Pen. In situations where every tool counts, having a versatile and reliable companion is essential. The 5.11 Kubaton Tactical Pen features a rugged aluminum body, twist-open pressurized ink, and textured grip for maximum control. Small but tough, it writes smoothly, fits multiple cartridges, and doubles as a discreet self-defense tool, ideal for daily tasks, outdoor adventures, or unexpected survival scenarios. Number 12. Bushcrafter Kukuri 7.0. For survival situations where both chopping power and precision matter, the Bushcrafter Kukuri 7.0 delivers exceptional versatility. Its curved 195 carbon steel blade excels at slicing, feather stick creation, and wood processing, while the full-tang design ensures durability under extreme stress. Comfortable black linen Marta handle scales and bow drill divots enhance grip and friction firemaking. Lightweight yet robust, it's a dependable tool for serious outdoor and tactical scenarios. Number 11. Bulletproof PARAPACTUM. Appearances deceive, the Semper Invicta. PARAPACTUM looks like a refined umbrella, but is actually a covert NIJ-2, a ballistic shield, capable of stopping 9mm and .40 S&W rounds. Handmade in France from carbon fiber, titanium, and aramid fabric, it resists extreme force and high winds while deflecting bottles or bricks. Favored by executive security, it offers discreet, robust protection when you need it most. Number 10. ACR ResQLink 400. In critical moments, sending a precise SOS can be the key between danger and rescue. The ACR ResQLink 400 personal locator beacon combines GPS positioning, a 406 MHz distress signal, and 121.5 MHz homing to guide rescuers within 100 meters. Built tough for land, sea, or air, it includes strobe lights, an infrared signal, and multifunction clips for versatile carry, delivering unmatched safety and peace of mind in any adventure. Number 9. Leatherman Tread. The Leatherman Tread lets you gear up for any adventure with a wearable tool that combines style and utility. Featuring socket wrenches, screwdrivers, cutting hooks, SIM card picks, glass breakers, and more, it's perfect for camping, hiking, sailing, or cycling. Its modular stainless steel links can be adjusted for comfort, while the polished finish ensures durability and a sleek look. Compact, customizable, and always ready, it's the ultimate hands-on survival companion. Number 8. MSA G1 Mask. In high-stress situations, having reliable respiratory protection can make all the difference. The MSA G1 Mask takes center stage with its lightweight, low-profile design built for comfort and durability. With a wide field of view, robust seal, and low breathing resistance port, it helps conserve energy when it matters most. Cross-contamination prevention and a speaking diaphragm ensure clear communication, while minimal components reduce weight and snag hazards. Perfect for tactical and survival scenarios. Number 7. Atwood Rope Paracord. In critical situations, quick access to dependable cordage can make all the difference. The Atwood Tactical Paracord comes preloaded with 50 feet of 550-pound tensile strength, 7-strand nylon paracord, and features a tangle-free dispenser with built-in cutting blade, belt clip, cord grip, viewport, attachment rail, and ruler. Designed by a U.S. Special Ops paratrooper, it's ideal for tactical packs, field kits, camping setups, vehicles, and any urgent scenarios. Number 6. Tactical Survival Bow. For those who demand precision and portability in the field, the SAS Tactical Survival Bow delivers unmatched performance. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, its folding design combines classic longbow accuracy with modern compact convenience. Arrows fly at speeds up to 200 feet per second, ensuring powerful impact when it matters most. Perfect for preppers, outdoor enthusiasts, and tactical operators, it's a reliable, high-performance addition to any gear setup. Number 5. Merger LRF XP50. Equipped for extreme environments, the Pulsar Merger LRF XP50 brings professional-grade thermal imaging to your hands. With high-sensitivity sensors, 2.5 to 20 times magnification, and an AMOLED HD display, it spots targets up to 1,800 meters away. Rugged and waterproof, it works from -25 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius and includes a laser rangefinder, Wi-Fi, and dual Li-ion batteries. Compact yet powerful, it's a must-have for preppers and tactical operators. Number 4. Compact Trauma Kit. Ready for emergencies on the go, this compact trauma kit is built with water-resistant, lightweight materials and packed with essential medical supplies. Featuring a vertical bifold design and upward-facing pockets, it ensures fast access to pressure bandages and other critical tools. The durable Hippolon Moly panel adds rugged versatility, while a free life-saving training course helps you stay prepared. Perfect for preppers, travelers, or everyday carry. Number 3. MKC Battle Goat. Engineered for outdoor enthusiasts and tactical users alike, the MKC Battle Goat knife combines rugged durability with practical portability. Crafted from Magna-Cut stainless steel, it stays razor-sharp and rust-resistant, while the textured G10 handle ensures a secure grip in any condition. Weighing under 3 ounces with a 3.5-inch blade, it's perfect for extended use. Made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty with free sharpening, it's built to last a lifetime. Number 2. Ti-FST. Designed for the ultimate preparedness, the Ti-FST is a precision titanium billet stash tube that transforms into a compact, self-contained fire-making kit. Built from corrosion-proof aerospace-grade titanium, it stores matches, ferro rods, and a pencil sharpener for creating tinder in the wild. Lightweight yet rugged, it also includes a waterproof oil-filled compass, making it an essential tool for both fire and navigation in any wilderness scenario. Number 1. Garmin MARQ Commander. When every mission demands precision and endurance, the Garmin MARQ Commander steps up as a tactical smartwatch built for the toughest environments. Featuring a rugged 46mm black DLC titanium case, sunlight-readable display, advanced GPS, and mission-ready tools like JumpMaster and ClimbPro, it keeps you on track. With up to 12 days of battery life and 100-meter waterproofing, it becomes a must-have companion for every tactical and preparedness setup. And that's a wrap on our 20 essential tactical survival gear picks every prepper should have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay prepared for anything.